Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bitcoin for payment. First, understand that Bitcoin is a digital currency operating without a central bank. To begin, you'll need a secure digital wallet to hold your Bitcoin. Think of it as your personal bank account for digital money. Next, you'll acquire Bitcoin, typically from an online exchange, before you can make any payments. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Choosing the right wallet is crucial for managing your Bitcoin. Hardware wallets, like a small USB device, offer the highest security for larger amounts. Software wallets, installed on your computer or phone, are convenient for everyday use. Mobile wallets are excellent for quick payments. Regardless of your choice, always secure your recovery phrase. It's your only way to restore access if your device is lost or damaged. Keep it secret and safe. Once your wallet is set up, you can acquire Bitcoin. Most people buy it from online exchanges, linking their bank account or debit card. When sending Bitcoin, be aware of transaction fees, which are typically a small fraction of a Bitcoin, like 0.0005 Bitcoin. These fees ensure your transaction is processed by the network. To send, simply input the recipient's unique Bitcoin address and the exact amount you wish to transfer. Making a payment with Bitcoin is straightforward. Many merchants provide a QR code you can scan with your mobile wallet, which automatically fills in the address and amount. If not, you'll manually enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Always review the amount and address carefully before confirming the transaction. After sending, your payment will usually be confirmed by the network within 10 to 30 minutes, making it a quick and efficient way to pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.